Hello folks, it's Phil, Jim's Motors in Cuba, Missouri. What we're looking at here today is a nice 2005 4-star 15-foot living quarters with a MID-TACK. It's an enclosed nose. Dinette and a chair. Lots of overhead storage. Big bunk. Cooktop and an oven. 6 cubic foot fridge. Nice big closet here in the bathroom. Linen closet behind the stool. Big corner enclosure shower. In the MID-TACK, we got another large closet. Hay rack, a ramp, stud stall all the way in front. Also got a rear tack here, saddle rack and blanket bar. Got drops on the head and tail side. For more information on this trailer, give us a call here at Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. Thank you and have a good day.